Alright y'all, we made it to Fredericksburg, Texas. But this isn't just any Texas town. This place is packed with German history and culture. And since Atlantis just got back from Germany, we had heard all about this place. We had to check it out.
Our first Airbnb was gorgeous. It was on a real farm, complete with farm animals and everything. And let me tell you, it took everything we had to keep Kylie from sneaking a baby lamb into her suitcase.
This town seriously felt like we had time traveled. The history here is so well preserved. We visited the Pioneer Museum, which does an amazing job of capturing what life was like for the original German settlers.
Between the old buildings, the artifacts, and the stories, we felt like we got a little peek into the past.
We even learned all about Fleet Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, since Fredericksburg is his hometown. The girls had fun standing next to his statue.
And can we just talk about how adorable this town is? The main street is lined with the cutest little shops. And of course, we had to stop for breakfast at the Old German Bakery restaurant. The kids even got to try a real German pancake. Verdict? Delicious.
We were loving Fredericksburg so much we decided to stay another week. Our second Airbnb was straight out of the olden days. It fit the town perfectly.
The Littles loved this one because they basically had their own apartment upstairs. While Adam and I had the bottom floor. With their older sister away visiting friends, I think they felt pretty grown up with their own little space.
And it's a good thing we had lots of space and food stocked up because boom, ice storm. And when that happens in Texas, apparently everything shuts down. Like everything.
So instead of exploring more, we had an unexpected staycation. Lots of movies, hot chocolate, popcorn, and just waiting for everything to thaw out. Not exactly what we had planned, but hey, gotta roll with the adventure, right?
Fredericksburg, you are amazing. Even with the ice storm, we had a blast.
And now we're off to our next adventure. Any guesses where we're headed next? Let us know in the comments. Adventurepreneurs out.